Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your RAZER Opus with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and right here at the top click Add Bluetooth for other device. Bluetooth. Now, right here at the right ear cup we have this power button, so press and hold until listed lights start flashing blue. Here we go. And now we should see it as the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!